Have you been spending a lot of time trying to grow your Instagram following, but you're not quite sure how that translates into sales? Have you been seeing other entrepreneurs land clients on Instagram, but you're not quite sure how to do the same? If you feel like your Instagram strategy is missing something, but you can't quite put your finger on it, stay tuned because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to attract paying coaching clients using Instagram. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is CourtneyLSanders. If you're new to me, welcome. I'm a full-time online business coach as well as wife and mom. I wear all the hats, I do all the things. And in today's video, I wanna talk to you about using Instagram to attract clients because I would say outside of YouTube, Instagram is probably my favorite platform for attracting clients. Now, most people think that Instagram is just good for selfies and taking pictures of your food and acting like an influencer, but they don't realize that it can be a very, very powerful business tool. So not only do I use Instagram to attract sales to some of my lower ticket offers, I also use it to attract higher ticket clients to both my mid-ticket and higher ticket courses and coaching programs. And the key fact about this is I've been doing this with my Instagram even when my following was way smaller than it is now. So when I first started rocking and rolling with Instagram, I had about 1,000 followers and grew from there. And I've been using this strategy from day one. So if you're curious to know what my secret is, let's get into it. Okay, the first step to attracting paying coaching clients using Instagram fast is to put your title or your service in your name on Instagram. So for instance, my name is CourtneyLSanders, but on Instagram, I have Courtney and then business coach. And I do that because when people go into the search bar and they're looking for a particular service provider or coach or consultant, they're not gonna search your name because they don't know you. They're gonna search business coach, life coach, or whatever it is. In fact, I did this just the other day. I was looking for someone to help me clean up my LinkedIn profile. And so I just started typing in, literally on Instagram, LinkedIn expert, LinkedIn consultant, and I was pleasantly surprised at the people who had their names come up with LinkedIn in their actual name on Instagram. So that's a really good strategy. Most people overlook it. Yes, you want to put your first name, but you also want to include whatever it is you do because that's how you attract clients. And also another story, now that I think about it, the person that I use to help me manage my Pinterest account and help me attract leads from Pinterest, let me know if you want me to do a video on that. I actually found her from Instagram as well. So it was kind of funny. I wasn't searching for a Pinterest expert, but I was checking who my recent followers were, and she had her first name and then she said Pinterest VA expert. And I was like, oh, I've been thinking about getting my Pinterest game together. Let me go check out her profile. Her profile was spot on. And so I ended up having a conversation with her and then actually hiring her to help me with my Pinterest account. So it might seem small, but it really works. You want to make sure that you're putting your professional title or your service or occupation or whatever it is that you do in your business alongside your name in your Instagram bio. All right, so going along with the first step, in order to help you get found more on Instagram, you wanna make sure that you are leveraging hashtags. So make sure you're using the right hashtags for your industry, for your brand, in order to attract those clients. So again, just the other day, I spent a lot of time searching for professionals on Instagram. Don't ask me why. But I was actually looking for a natural hair care professional in Houston. I was looking for a new stylist because, you know, this lockdown outside of these YouTube videos has got your girl looking rough. I pretty much only glam up for these videos, but in my day-to-day, I'm kind of like, So I was thinking about finding a hairstylist who could work with my hair. And so instead of just searching Houston hairstylist or Houston natural hair, I did hashtag Houston natural hairstylist, and there are various hashtags that are going to be specific to your particular niche or your particular community. And so I was seeing that in addition to hashtag natural hair Houston stylist, it was hashtag natural hair Houston salon, hashtag healthy hair Houston. Like there were all these hashtags that were popping up that I noticed that a lot of these salon owners and stylists were using to demonstrate that they can do natural hair in Houston. So you want to do the same. You want to start searching different hashtags in your particular niche or industry and start noticing which are ones that your potential clients are using and make sure that you are hashtagging your post with those particular hashtags. And in fact, if you want more help on how to get your hashtag game together, say that 3 times fast, you can actually download my Get Found guide, which goes over hashtags and even some really cool tools that you can use in order to organize your hashtags. So you can download that at CourtneyLSanders/getfound. That's all one word, Get Found, to download that free guide. All right, the next thing you want to do to attract paying clients fast is you want to promote your testimonials and your results. I don't know why people don't do this. I feel like I talk about this in every other video, but I never see it outside of the people who are already successfully attracting clients on Instagram. So if you're not successfully attracting paying clients on Instagram, there's a good chance that you are not posting your testimonials or your results. And by testimonials, I mean actual testimonials from people you've worked with in the past. And here's a hint. If you're brand new, it doesn't necessarily have to be paying clients. Let's say you helped out a friend, you helped out family members. It doesn't matter. If you've gotten anybody a result, anybody of transformation, let's say you're a resume coach and you helped your best friend get a six-figure job by redoing her resume, make her give you a testimonial so that you can post that on your social media. And if you have no one that you've helped thus far, then you want to make sure that you show the results that you've gotten for yourself. So if you are some sort of weight loss coach or weight loss expert or fitness expert, go ahead and show your own before and afters. Or maybe you're a skincare coach. Go ahead and show, what your skin looked like before you cleaned your diet up and did some of the techniques that you teach and what it looked like afterwards. So you got to show some before and after, whether it's your own or your clients, but that goes a long way to attracting new paying clients via Instagram. All right, before I get into the rest of the tips, I want to hear from you. Do you use Instagram to promote your business? Just curious, because I know not everybody uses Instagram for business. So if you use Instagram for business, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. All right, the fourth thing you want to do in order to attract paying clients via Instagram is to promote your freebies. Now, I have quite a few videos that talk about growing your email list and freebies and the best freebies that you want to use in order to grow your email list. However, most people don't realize that part of the game for attracting paying clients off Instagram is to get them off Instagram and on your email list. A lot of the sales process that goes from getting someone who is just interested in your services to actually being a paying client is actually not going to happen on Instagram. It's going to happen in your emails. It might even happen via a discovery call, which I also have videos about. But the point is, it's probably not going to happen directly on Instagram. So you want to make sure that you have systems set up, and you want to make sure that you are asking people to download your freebies, because if they download your freebies, they will then get on your email list. And once they're on your email list, it's easier for you to have a sales conversation with them at that point. So in your actual post, whether it's a picture of you or a graphic or even quote pictures, whatever it is that you're posting on Instagram, in the captions, make sure that you are directing people to your freebie. So you can offer some really great content. Again, let's say you're a resume writing coach and you post a picture of, you getting your first six-figure job out of college using your tips, and then you tell that story and you give some tips. And then at the end, you might say, and if you want to know, what I exactly did in order to get my resume together, my resume checklist, go ahead and download my free resume checklist by clicking the link in my bio. You just basically make the call to action in the caption of your Instagram post, drive it to your freebies in order to get people on your email list so that you can have a sales conversation and so that they can become paying clients. All right, the fifth thing you want to do on Instagram in order to attract paying clients is, and I know some of you aren't gonna like this, but you need to live stream. Yes, everyone's still, I'm like, y'all still scared of live streaming, but I know a lot of people are. People are still scared of live streaming because they feel like it's awkward and what am I gonna say, and it's live, and what if I get trolls, Don't worry about any of that. I've personally found that live streaming is one of the most powerful ways to attract paying clients on Instagram. I remember one of my first high ticket clients that I ever got actually got after a live stream that I did on Instagram and on Facebook. So for Instagram, because that's what this video is about, you want to make sure that you are doing live streams regularly. Start off by doing them just once a week and then see if you can do a few times a week. But you'll find that after you get comfortable with them, you'll be able to start directing people to sign up for a free consultation call with you. So I like to just do my live stream to teach, to give really great information. And then at the end, I just say, hey, if you're interested in taking this further, I would love to help you. Click the link in my bio or go to this link in order to sign up for a free discovery call. And then from there, we have the sales conversation and I end up getting paying clients. So if you're interested in more information about how to successfully conduct a discovery call, go ahead and check out this video where I give you all of my discovery call tips. So those are my 5 tips for attracting paying clients off Instagram fast. Now, obviously, if you're looking to use Instagram in order to attract paying clients, it's very important that you are getting found on Instagram by those potential clients. So I highly recommend that you download my free Get Found guide. That's at CourtneyLSanders.com/getfound, which goes over different free organic things that you can do. So none of this includes paid advertising, but free things that you can do in order to get more eyeballs on your Instagram profile and thus more potential paying clients. All right, I really hope that you enjoyed these 5 tips and you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when my next video is available. And if you can't wait that long, don't forget to subscribe to my podcast, The Courtney Sanders Show, where I talk not only about business, but also personal development, finance, all sorts of things. So that's a really fun platform for you to engage with me there. And then, of course, if you can't even wait until my next podcast goes live, make sure you are following me on Instagram. That's Courtney L. Sanders on Instagram, where I post business tips almost daily. So again, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.